Hey guys, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the second annual Connect Cruisers Car Show at the Connect Church in Jacksonville, Florida. And this is the Car Show Cam. This is a great show. Lots of awesome cars. It was bigger than the year before, which was great. I think they went from 50-something to 70-something cars. So, not bad for a second show, considering there was a gigantic show also going on. Anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
There's D.
Alright, if you guys need any...
Damn.
Got bigger.
Yep. He's pointing you down there.
You guys need close parking or?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
There's a spot.
He's not pointing at you.
Yeah.
Right there, he says. You're not gonna block the road, are you?
No. I'm gonna straighten up in a second.
Uh-huh.
Trying to line up with the line there.
Yeah.
I think I'm.
Mm-hmm.
It flips it over.
Oh. Yeah, we're not registered, so there ain't no need us staying.
And there's so many of them leaving now.
Yeah.
I had thought to stay till they left.
Yeah, it was two.
Oh, hang on.
What?
My seat moved.
Yeah.
All right, y'all give it up for the Dashboard channel. They're going on to another adventure. Y'all give them a round of applause. Check them out on YouTube, the Dashboard channel. Video and the car show near you.
Hey, gotta get some advertisement out there.
Yep.
Heck, he was announcing everybody else. Here, announce us too. Our services are so free. Man, that breeze feels good, don't it?
Yep.
That poor one black guy's the one out there.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the second annual Connect Cruisers Car Show at the Connect Church. It was a great show. We really enjoyed our time out there. There were a lot of cars out there, a lot of different cars out there. There were a couple that were outstanding. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop us a like, drop us a comment, share us around, maybe even subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to our initial subscriber count of 500. We're over halfway there. We're at 265, which is great. I love all my subscribers. So share us around to your car people. Even share us around to your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. So, anyway, like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.